Alright friends, for Poots, my haul consists of these two variegated string of pearls, which were $7 each. Those I know are really, I think that's a good price for those. They're 4-inch pots. Then I got this pretty little, it's called Little Gem Cremosedum. So cute. Then I got this little guy, which is a Euphorbia Symmetrica. I don't have that guy in my collection. Then I got this Astrophytum Myrostigma, which I don't have also. I don't have any of these in my collection. I think I might have a little piece of this one, but that one's a full 4-inch pot, so I had to get it. But yeah, I was really excited to get these because I don't have variegated string of pearls. So this find made me really happy. I need a little bit of water. And then Debbie, one of my subscribers, thank you Debbie again, she gave me this beautiful, she said it was an angel wing. So that was awesome that she was able to get this for me. And then she gave my grandma a jade. She gave me 2 of these. And then she gave me this variegated spider plant, and then this green spider plant, which I'm so excited about. Thank you so much, Debbie. It was really nice meeting you, and I'm super excited to have babies from your collection to grow in my collection. So thank you so much. Yeah guys, that does it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Talk to you soon. Bye.